On top the conference center building, y'all. I am speechless. This is Liberia. Unity Conference Center. Like, I keep repeating the thing over and over because I don't even know what to say. I am speechless.
Okay. This will be the intake. Right after the war, when Taylor came to town in UN was here, the first group of security we had, they were in black. But to come and open this place like how I just opened it, no, it was hard for them.
They didn't even understand.
They didn't ask.
It is so easy to do.
The only thing they did, both.
Wow.
The first is to enter all there.
Okay. Oh my God. So, helicopters used to land on top of this freaking building. Wow. Do you know where I am? On top the conference center building, y'all. Unity Conference Center building. I didn't know this place existed. This is amazing. Like, I am speechless right now. I don't know what to say.
Life, happy unity. Oh, you, welcome to Liberia. All my people, welcome to you. Oh, you, welcome to Liberia. All my people.
Look at this. Ruins.
Just wind drop. And there will be no more.
This fell from him. Wow.
I pray to Abuja, and after neglected, we must stand.
Oh my God, look at this. Yeah.
This
People build this place.
Welcome to Liberia. Oh,
Like, yo, I'm speechless.
all my people, welcome to you.
I am speechless. This is Liberia. Unity Conference Center. Like, I keep repeating the thing over and over because I don't even know what to say. I am speechless. See this view. Just look at this view. Look at this view. You see beyond there, you see the beach, right? Like, this place was so freaking cool.
They're not even attached to this thing. The villa.
The villa.
And that time, the other was a church. All the president and everybody, they were representing all the country was representing.
Yeah.
They had the children when they came, them where they used to come.
Okay.
The other, just, I can't. But they need to look okay.
The Hotel Africa, yeah.
There's no more.
We want to go there after here.
Hotel Africa.
So you remember in the beginning of the video, I said the 50 head of states, right? But he just said 52. And then the guests that used to come, they used to go to Hotel Africa. And in here they have a villa that these head of states.
Well, I have a villa down there.
Okay, the villa is down here. So the villa is where the head of states used to be. Look at that view. Oh my God. Look at this view. Y'all know I'm a sucker for view. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, oh, oh.
Thank you so much. This means a whole lot. Wow. Oh man.
Competition that came from Gambia when they were here.
You talked about.
Yeah, that here they used to come and do sit here. The radio men, they used to keep themselves, they face their teeth, drink cocoa, spend their time.
Okay.
Our two groups, the Bangladesh and the Gambian,
Okay.
they divided the building up there on the side for the Bangladesh,
Bangladesh.
and on this side
For the Ghanaians.
Yes. Just for this reason, the president decided to go back to the mansion. So most of the weather we have here, from last year up to this time, their attention is to the mansion. So very few, only the security, with few here.
Okay.
President is working here. So they can extend the work all the way up here. So our focus is
Just
the down part of the building. You need.
top part of it, yeah, because ain't nobody coming up here to
Yeah,
do
this up there can only be done like today they didn't come. But when other men come in group on Thursday, then they go on the second floor
Okay.
to clean.
Okay.
Yeah. We love Cameroon.
Liberian news. You see? You remember that? The Liberian News Agency Network. I'm from Rabosport. So where you see the blue area, that's where I'm from. So I just noticed something right now. I'm looking at this map right up here, and I see there's only 9 counties. And we know that Liberia has 16 counties. So I'm thinking like maybe the other counties were not added at the time. The other 7 counties were not added at the time. But these are the 9 counties that we have here. We have Grand Cape Mount, you have Montserrado, you have Lofa County, Grand Bassa County, Sino County, you have Grand Jide, Maryland, you have Nimba. Did I say everything? Yes. You have Nimba County. Wow. So these are like the Veude. And then yes, so I'm wrapping up now to leave from here and go to Hotel Africa. So, I mean, it was a great experience. I learned a whole lot of things about my history, some, of my history, plus a lot of things about this building that I didn't know about. So anyways, I'm very happy that I made this trip and I'm about to go now. So just follow me, let's go, okay? I love you. Man, I'm sweating a dog kilo. I don't want a dog kilo is sweating.
President, when nothing think of President about higher, to the devil. Higher, to the devil, man. Higher, to the devil. When I think of President about higher, to the devil. When I think of President about higher, everybody be to the devil. My friend, let me tell you one thing. For you to wake up for yourself, mama. Papa, oh, it's not for yourself. It's gonna be for your grandchildren. Everybody, let's wake up. I want to ask everybody to make that fun. Oh, baby, you, oh, mama, oh, brother, oh, sister, oh, uncle, oh, grandma. When I think of President when I think of President Obama, when I think of President Obama, I want everybody to be totally for. I totally. When I think of President Obama, when I think of President Obama, when I think of President Obama, oh, mama, yeah, yeah, mama, oh, mama, yeah, yeah, mama, oh, mama, yeah, yeah, mama, oh, yeah, papa, yeah, yeah, papa, oh. Yeah, mama, oh, yeah, papa, oh, yeah, mama, oh, yeah, papa, oh, yeah, mama, oh, President Obama, President Obama, President Obama, President Obama, we will honor you, oh yeah.